Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Roblox error code 0 in a quick and easy way, so you can get back into your games without any interruptions. This error usually happens due to connection issues or temporary glitches. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Restarting your router can help fix minor network problems. Next, completely close Roblox and reopen it to refresh your session. After that, clear your system's temporary files by pressing Windows plus R, typing %temp% and deleting unnecessary files. You should also disable any VPN or proxy service because Roblox may block connections from restricted locations. Another helpful step is to check if Roblox servers are down, as the issue might not be on your side. Finally, reinstall Roblox if the problem continues to remove any corrupted files. After following these steps, error code 0 should be resolved and Roblox should run normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.